Transform your Tesla Model 3 or Y into a futuristic cockpit. The NovaAcc yoke steering wheel delivers Formula One-inspired design with premium comfort, now compatible with 2017 to 2024 models. Sporty Revolution. Yoke design enhances visibility and control. Feel the road with a flat bottom profile that screams performance. Luxury materials. Default Nappa leather, upgrade to Alcantara for $45. Hand-stitched with high-density thread for durability and a tactile grip. Winter-ready heating. Integrated constant temperature wires warm your hands in seconds. No more freezing grips during cold drives. Factory direct customization. Choose carbon fiber accents, stitching colors, alignment marks, or unique shapes. Tell NovaAcc your vision, they'll craft it. Perfect OEM integration, tailored to Tesla specs. Check the small hole under your wheel to confirm compatibility, no guesswork. Imagine this: winter drives with heated palms, sporty handling, and a cockpit that turns heads. For Tesla owners who crave cutting-edge style without OEM limits, this is the ultimate upgrade. Explore it on Aliexpress, where luxury meets innovation.